Hi. I think I'm ready to get started. Let's see now. How's the audio sounding? Anybody who's watching? Um, who is watching even? Hi Murkia and Retro Boy. Audio seems okay? Good to hear. Alright. So yeah, I'm working on remaking Final Fantasy 1 in 3D. And it's coming along, I think. But there's no collisions yet. So I need to work on that. Like, I can just walk right through the buildings. So I need to figure that out. Hi Ramen Flavors. How's your day going? Going good? Good to hear. Okay. Where do I set your collision-y stuff? Relaxing on a Saturday? Nice. Good to hear. Playing Cookie Clicker? I've done my share of Cookie Clickers. I think I'm done with that. I got all the Heavenly Chip upgrades. I'm satisfied. It's looking so amazing. Oh, thanks, Titan Seeker. That actually means a lot coming from you, especially. But yeah, I think I'm figuring it out, kinda. Let me turn down the music for me. But not for you, hopefully. It appears you saw my little retro assets pack. Is there any comment you would like to say about either of them? I think they're gonna be super helpful. And I'm super happy that you're submitting game assets. Did you finish your claw game? Mostly, yeah. I still have an update I want to push up, but you can find it by going to my itch site. It plays okay, but I've got an update coming out that's going to make it play a lot better. I'm almost tempted to do that right now, but no, I gotta work on this. Where'd this go? Stop. And let's see. Grid map collisions. If you remember Ramen Flavors, I used to have a thing where I tried to not look up as much stuff as possible and just rely on the editor. Because I'm not really at all familiar with 3D stuff, I removed that restriction, so I am looking stuff up. I also do have a question about the jam. Can we alter the art assets we use? Yeah. It's not like it's going to be strictly enforced or anything. But yeah, like, say you wanted to use, like, you know, half of this one and, like, half of that one and smoosh them together or something, that'd be totally fine. And yeah, I mean, or if you wanted to, like, recolor them or whatever, or it's basically the main thing I wanted to accomplish was there are those who, feel very strong with the game dev aspect, like the coding and editor stuff, but not so much on the art side. So I wanted them to be able to have some resources they could use for their games. And also vice versa. There are some who are really confident on the art asset side of things, but they don't really know how to make games very well. So I wanted them to be able to contribute to games as well, in some way. So hopefully, some folks will make some really neat stuff. Okay. Grid map collision. collisions. You can manually assign a static body and collision shape to each mesh. Alternately, you can use the mesh menu to automatically create. Oh, there's a mesh menu, huh? Where are you? Mesh library. Are you in here? Where is this mesh? I'm not seeing it. Do I need to, like, go into the grid map, click on this thing? Hi, Casper Dragon Wolf. I see in your claw machine game you have a pinball game. Yep. I was watching a streamer named Katan play Sonic Generations Pinball, and I thought, with the claw machine parts, I could probably make a pinball machine. Sorta. And so I sorta made one. Transform view. Grid map. Settings? No. Just left Katan? Nice. How's Katan doing? I think she's working on game dev stuff. Manually assign. This... Wait. Mesh library. Yeah? Mesh instance. Yes, I do want this. A static body and collision shape to each mesh. How do I get to these meshes? I'm assuming it's in here somewhere. Cursing out Unity? That sounds about right. She is, yes? Good to hear. Are they part of a mesh library? Yes. These are all part of this mesh library. Nope, I have the mesh. I think I have the meshes. These ones. And now I want to add, collision shapes to them. Is this what I need? Whoa. Hey, maybe this is what I need. Why is it trying to do 2 of them? Array size of 2. About 1. What? Hey Nova, did you see my post in random? Yeah, the one about Minecraft? I think I might get into game making again. Nice ramen flavors, I think you should. It's a lot of fun as long as you try not to let yourself get frustrated and just sorta take it as it goes. At least that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, let's try fiddling about with the tree one. I want to collide into the trees. So... Shapes. I'm almost positive it's a shape that I want. Size 2. Well, alright, I'll let you be 2. Extents. You're a box. And that should be okay. Yep, I found one person who wants to participate so far. And I already know that I'm participating myself. I'm just waiting for the third person to respond. Gotcha. And thanks for the warm fuzzies, GND. Oh, that reminds me. I'm sorry, everyone. I just now, or I should say just today, realized that there's like a rewards queue thing? I had no idea that this was like a thing I needed to do. So like all of these requests went unfulfilled. Sorry if it confused anyone. I'll go ahead and complete them all now. Whoa. And thanks for the warm fuzzies, everyone who did warm fuzzies. And for the hydrates. I was well hydrated. And thanks for the avatar pins. I have pinned many avatars on, no, pinned many pins on my avatar. And thanks for the more warm fuzzies. And thanks for the insert overlay test. And thanks for the hydrate. I honestly did not know that that was a thing. I just had the activity feed up. So yes, hopefully they're now, the overlay works. Yeah, it does work. I got it working a few streams ago. So now I don't have to rely on, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, Nightbot, or any of that stuff. And I also got a Discord bot working, so I don't have to rely on Karl bot. Drown? Oh no, I'm not gonna drown. This is a cool project. Thanks. Oh, hi Retro MMO. You gotta go, man? Alright, see you, ramen flavors. Yeah, I'm trying to remake the starting area of Final Fantasy 1, but in 3D. And I'm sorta learning how to do it, but I'm trying right now to figure out how to get collision stuff on here. I don't think I quite have it, though. I take that back. I do have it now. It is working, but I think I need to change the shape of these. Visible collision shapes. Yes, those boxes are too big, but they're working. That's what's important. Alright, this box, I think if I make you that big? No, you're still far too big. Avatar pin? Will do. I'll save you 2 pins. What shall I call you? Retro Boy Pin. Alright. Props. Add this one. Here we go. Hi friend. You can hang out in my hood. Whoop, not that far back. That looks about right. Alright, and now I can accept the request as being complete. Okay. Back to this box. Is this still too much? How about 0.1? Why is it still so much? Boxes, why are you still so big? I'm stuck in here. Unless, did I add a box to something else? I don't know. Or wait, is this where this array of size 2 is coming from? Like maybe there's 2 shapes. I'm just not seeing the other one. Like maybe there's another box in here. Is this the other box? Do I need to be like, changing this matrix to be like that? Is that what you want? Is that what you want from me? No, wait. Whoa. I'm colliding with something. This is strange. Also, hi Maple TV. Sorry I didn't see your hay before. I'll be heading out a little earlier than normal. I'll be shopping with my grandmother tomorrow. Nice. Sounds like fun. Oh, it's fine? No, I want to welcome you when you come in here. And yeah, anyone, if I don't see your comment, it doesn't mean that I'm ignoring you. I just missed it. Wait. So this thing... What is this? What are you? Ah, what did I do? Where'd you go? Shapes? It's also going to be her birthday tomorrow? Nice. You appreciate it? Yeah. You deleted the collision shape. I did? Wait, are these shapes, is this the right one? Am I doing this right? So it's a box. If I go 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, change it to a sphere? Okay. Whoa! What? How did I... Box shape. Sphere shape. Okay. Let's see. Hey! Nice. I got spheres on it. I think that's actually what I want, right? So then, instead of changing its radius, I changed its... I'm assuming this is its transform? So I changed its scale? Then for... yep, nice. Okay. Then for... Let's do the building one. I'll give you... a shape. And you're okay to be a box. We have a new player? Top down would look pretty classic now. Also, hi, new Joker. 6, how's your day going? Yeah, I can actually show top down by going like this. So this is what Final Fantasy 1 originally looked like, more or less. But now, whoops, but now it's this. I don't know, I missed it, lol. I woke up, ate dinner, and watched a movie, and now I'm here. 8 p.m? Nice. I'm glad to have you here. What movie did you watch? And what'd you have for dinner? Okay. Let's try, whoops. I'm pretty sure this is right. Except, wait, no. This one needs to be 1. This one is 0.5. Alright, now... Let's see if I can... Nice! I'm colliding with the building. Well, most of the building. Not the doors yet, but that's coming. And those are different blocks. So I need to get those too. Okay. John Wick, not a bad movie. Buffalo breaded chicken? Nice. Potatoes and corn. Sounds like a pretty tasty dinner. Alright. This one's good. The one window one is next. I need you to have a shape. I'm happy that it defaults to a box shape, because I feel like that's going to be most of them. Right, that should be good. I need the door tile. Or the door mesh instance. And then the roof. I should probably do the roof, because maybe I'll want to add jumping into it. Thanks for the warm fuzzies. And hi, Crease. How's your evening going? Or your day. I guess I don't really know where you are. I'm guessing if you're with Aether, you're probably in Southern California? I was watching a stream of theirs recently where they were talking extensively about French fries. So I had to go out and purchase some stuff to make French fries. I was compelled to do so. Pretty chill evening, gaming and watching streams? Sounds amazing. Oh, and you must have been lurking last time. And that's okay. I should probably make it. I should probably make my server, my bot, like automatically undo all the lurks after the stream ends. But I haven't quite gotten around to that yet. Oh, got the door, got the roof, the fence. I'm gonna make you a box too. And what are you, the well? I feel like the well can be a circle. It did the same thing to you? Oh no! We can take a look at it quick. Wonder if it'd be an easy fix to do. Whoops. Let's see. It's gonna be TwitchBot, I feel. TwitchBot. What are you up to? How does lurk work again? Lurk works by... It sets a tag based on their username, lurk. So all I would need to do is find all the keys that end in -lurk and unset them, or set them to present. How would I do that? Redis, regex keys. Available since 1? Good. Keys in the database on the assumption the key names in the database, okay. Returns all keys matching the pattern. Star-lurk. Okay. Let me think. How do I want to test? We're gonna do it live, because that's the best way to do coding. I'm gonna call you unlurk. Unlurk all. And I want you to... It's gonna be star-lurk. I wonder if there's a way I can change how do cats think? There is a cat inside of every cat's head, aka the meta cat. A cat thinking about itself. Is a cat self-aware? Keys, random keys, H keys, find keys, cluster keys, and get keys. Redis, change all keys according to pattern. Keys, prefix, xargs. I don't want to use bash. I mean, I can use it if I have to. Thanks for the follow, 0 volts. I hope you enjoy it here. I don't want to use those. How to delete keys matching a pattern. Everything is saying just use bash and xargs. I know how to do it that way. I don't want to do it that way. Keys. Yes. Forget keys, use scan. What is scan? Incrementally iterate the keys space. Hey. Maybe that is what I want to use. I like that, and that's fine. Scan. Hey. Whoa. This is actually, wait, stream on, is this for this kind of thing that I'm trying to actually do? I should probably read the example, huh? Let's see. It is taking too long. Forget keys you scan. Small number. I can use production. I just randomly thought up the name Metacat, and I tried to come up with a story behind Metacat. I came up with the cat inside every cat's head, which is how cats supposedly think. There is a cat controlling the cat from the inside. I wonder if there is like a collective unconsciousness of cats that they all share, and that these cats can telepathically communicate with other cats. And they've sort of maneuvered their way into a relatively peaceful existence where they live as house cats and basically have humans serving their every need. Maybe. Redis. I'm just using Redis. Let's see. I'm trying to avoid doing doing nested asynchronous calls. I like baby ocelots? Nice. Super cute. Alright, let's grab you. Let's do... Scan. Yeah, you're all saying to do the same thing. By the way, you might be wondering why I made my asset pack the way it looks. I sort of was, but, you don't have to tell us if you don't want to. But if you do want to, feel free to share. Yeah, I'll do it the sort of not cool way. Or it's not cool, it's just, you know what I mean. Or maybe you don't. I know what I mean. And what I mean is I don't know what I need. Let wait. Let lurkers equal await Redis client keys everyone who is set to lurk. Then we shall do a client.say channel. This is just gonna test. Take the code less written by instead of the road less traveled. Yes, this is the silly code. I think I can do it this way. Or it might break. Instead of doing that, let's actually console.log it. That's probably the way to go. Because I don't know what this value is going to be. So when you're in doubt of such a thing, always use Printf Debugging. So this command is basically just going to generate some log info. It should be fairly innocuous, but maybe it won't. All right. Looks like it's working. All right. Unlurk all. It did nothing. Well, that was useless. Well, unmark all. Yeah, I don't know. I am done with that aside. So there is now a new command that doesn't really do anything. But I gave it a try. I'll give it a try again later. But for now, back to this. Hooray, broken commands. Well, I think most of the commands should still work. Yeah. Those commands work. Hi, Erend. How's your evening going? Sphere. Or actually, I think maybe I want a capsule shape. Bad button, it's going up. Well, the assets were originally going to be 1 bit, and I decided I wanted to add color. So color pixel. Part I did already. Simply use paint bucket to color objects. I gotcha. I forgot about that command. Yeah, I know, right? It's the bad button command. Who knows how high it will get? How is FF doing? Not bad. I got collisions working, sorta. on some of the stuff. And not all the stuff though, but more and more of the stuff. I think maybe I don't want a capsule, because then I'd have to worry about its rotation. I'm just gonna do another sphere. And then this should be like that. And what do we got? The fountain. This magic. Oh, I was gonna try something with this one actually. Let me take a look at you. Okay, you're over here. What happens if I adjust this to 0.1? Yeah, I think that's actually what I want. Sort of. And then how do I want to make it so that you're pushed forward a bit. I like to think that it was I translated the emotion from the 1616 version, even slightly amplified in the 32. I gotcha. You wanted to scale it up, but retain the same feel. Subdivide. What do you do? I don't know. Flip faces? No. Mesh transform. Oh, wild! I do not understand matrices well enough to make full use of this, but I'm going to try anyways. Alright, you shifted off in that direction. How do I get you to come forward? Subdivide probably adds more polygons? Oh, wait, I know what that is. Yes, that's what it does. And I don't need to worry about that. I don't think, because these are, cubes. Are you making this using matrices? I think I am. And I'm a little scared. Oh, wait. Maybe that was what I wanted. Alright, I'm shifting you. Okay, this is good. I mean, I don't want to shift you there, but I think I maybe want to shift you there? No. -1. Yes! We're getting somewhere! Alright. Alright. Not -1. Wait, maybe I do want -1 and this to be 0.5? No. Wait, -0.5. Yes! That's where I want it. Hi, new Joker. Again, sorry, you were already here. And yes, -0.5 is what I wanted. So now it's a sign. Hi, Cammy Moop. I'm figuring out more 3D stuff. And I think I figured out how I want the signs to work. So now if I go into the grid map... wait a minute. I think I just realized what's going to happen if I do this. It replaces it. So what I actually want is in the mesh library for this, I want you to be 0.5, and then I actually want to paint you like, wait a minute. No, like, no, turn there. Oh, come back here. You're kind of clipping. So let's do something about that. Maybe I need 0.6? No. 0.4. Now you're kind of floating. Maybe that's okay. Boxes? Yeah, Cammy. I'm doing all the boxes. And I'm desperately trying to figure out how matrices work. AeroX hates that from his perspective. I just give random numbers like -0.1 and they just work. Yeah. I mean, eventually it had to work, right? Hi, AeroX. How's your evening going? The sign is all sharp. Yeah, it's gotta be sharp. Cause the pixels and whatnot. Whoa, that it is sharp compared to everything else. What the hey? What? I mean, I'm not gonna complain, but can't you click them in the viewport and just move it using the handle? Oh. I don't know, actually. Whoops. I put a sign where I didn't want there to be a sign. I don't think I can, because of the way that this grid map works. It's sort of like you're painting blocks. So I don't know if I can just pick them. The devil appears. Yep. Freaking 0.0879. Do you have all the textures being filtered? I thought I changed that, but let's see. What? I'm almost positive I unchecked this. I'm gonna go back and look at the video evidence, not right now, but later. And I'm almost positive I did that. Oh, you know what? I think I was doing video RAM to lossless. Maybe that's what I was doing. You can select and move grid map tiles. It's just not clicking though. I forget the hotkey. Yes. I'm pretty sure I can do that, but I don't know if I can scale them from the editor. Basically think of Minecraft voxel interface. Yep. By default, everything goes with filter on. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure I set the preset. But I guess it didn't take. May need to set it as the default. Yep. Hi, Bumper Oyster. How's your day going? You can change the default in the import tab. Yep. Go to preset, select texture. Yep. Is there any way that I can like quickly go through and do it for all of these. Suppose I can just click through them. There's not that many. Since they were already imported, you have to delete the old import files and apply the new default to everything already imported. Oh, I gotcha. That I know how to do that. I think this is probably going to be about the same amount of time. Maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. At any rate, I've already committed. It's one of those sunk cost fallacies where my time is the cost. You can select multiple textures, right? Dang, I can! Alright, I bet then if I go like that. I don't think it did what I thought it did. Oh, okay. I think I got it now. So I do this. I think I got back that far. And then I click that, and I do that, and then I re-import. Now it should all be off. Yes. Alright, I think I understand it a little better. Going well? How is the project? Not bad. And now it's looking a lot better as well. Now that these are all no longer being filtered. Oh, that does look so much smoother. But yeah, I'm remaking Final Fantasy, or at least the starting of it, in 3D. Crisp pixels? Yes. Pretty sure selecting multiple shares changes, right? Yes. I had to re-upload the 32x32 version again. A tile doesn't tile correctly. That's okay. Feel free to re-upload it as many times as you need. Just a second. Gotta use a tissue. I hope I muted myself properly. Okay. Now what I'm going to work on is I want to get all these signs to do this way instead of that way. Let's go back to the mesh library, and we want the Y to be that much in that direction. Yes, 0.45. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Must have done something else as well. Oh, the size. 0.1 in the Y direction. Okay. There we go. Let's do that for all of them. And then 0.45. Wait. Black Magic. Oh, I forgot the in. Let's do you. And then 0.45. 16 was the weapons I already did. Then the armor shop. 0.45. 1718 is the item shop. And then 0.5. And then 19 is the clinic. Or church, if you're playing the uncensored version. Alright, I want to just save you. Save. There we go. Now I need to move all these ones. So you're gonna be black magic. You're right there, and then roof right there. Nice, much better. Or at least how you would expect it to be. Yes, that is some tasty uncensored. They changed a symbol. Hi Exodrifter. Thanks for the hydrate. And for the warm fuzzies. So, Exo, I have a confession. I had no idea about this redeem thingy. So I had a whole bunch of unfinished redeems that I redeemed this stream. So now I'm trying to actually accept the requests. So sorry to anyone who might have been confused before. The redeem thing is nice? Yes, yes. It is very helpful, and I wish I would have known about it from the beginning, because that would have alleviated a lot of confusion, I think. Alright, clinic right there, and roof right there. The items is right there, and roof. The inn. Okay. You are the 2 window. And then the inn sign is right there. Wait. That's backwards. There we go. Oh, thanks for the subscription, Exodrifter. I'm really happy that you want to hang out here that much. And if you deny, the person gets refunded. Oh, that'd be super helpful. Like if someone submitted an inappropriate pin for a redeem or something. Nintendo's licensing policy, at least sometimes back in the 80s and 90s, is pretty interesting. I know, right? There, I think, was a whole book about it. All the different stuff that you could and couldn't do. Alright, the inn's done. Let's get these shops. Weapons. It's upside down. Put a roof on there. The roof is upside down. Still doesn't look right. There we go. Oh, you were the armor. There we go. Oh, thanks for the subscription, new Joker. It makes me really happy that you folks want to stay here. Haven't used this in a while? More emotes. Yeah, and I'm trying really hard to get the free emotes out. I have to stream for 60 days as an affiliate, and I think I might be getting close. So I'll try to get more out. I also commissioned Oni Lily to make some for me. So hopefully there'll be some more cute emotes on the way. I think I mixed up this roof thing. You look a little off, roof. Whoops, I deleted the wrong roof. Alright, you gotta be that way. Maybe. Nope, you're still wrong. What have I done? There, wait. Yes, perfect, okay. Just do that. You already have a pretty big map? Yeah. And I feel like they're gonna start going a lot faster now, too. That I sort of have an idea of how to do these. Whoops. Let me fix up some roof tiles. Those are looking good. Alright. So yeah. Got my character, and I sort of have some collisions working. Pin? Alright, will do. Warning, this is an inappropriate pin redeem. Please decline this now. Alright. I'm gonna reject it and refund it. If you honestly want me to have that as a pin, I'd be okay with it, but I feel like you just wanted to test it. Okay. That collision works. That collision works. The doors work. Did I do the fence yet? Nope. I can walk out into the void. Let's fix that. Mesh library. What did I call that? An actual avatar pin that I forgot to send earlier. Alright. I'm betting it's on Discord. Oh, that is heckin' cute. Oops, where are you? Here. Pins. Cat frog. Hell yeah. I got... Whoa, come here, you. Yes, perfect. I wanted to stream today, but I was busy all day. I know what you mean. I wanted to, watch, Doohoo's and, Isidore Avalay's joint stream today, but I was at a family gathering thing that lasted way longer than I thought. This is not a test. This is, in fact, not an inappropriate pin redeem. Hi, I'm Mr. Text. I can do that one. Mr. Text. Alright. I'll wear you as... I don't know. There? You can hold up the sign. Or this one. You can have the sign. No, attach to that. But come forward a bit. A little bit more. Right there. Here. Okay, that's better. Alright. Got that avatar pin. Got that avatar pin. Nice. Aaron and KT are streaming now too, and I can't watch everyone. Oh no! KT is going to end, unfortunately. Shoot! I was actually kind of hoping to raid her. There she goes. Oh, yikes. BRB, going to speedrun a mute in Aaron's stream. I hope Aaron's gonna be streaming for a while, because I could still raid Aaron, I think. Aaron usually streams pretty late, I feel. It's just starting? Good to hear. That's likely where this stream will end up. In, I don't know, a couple hours maybe. I want to finish up at least another one of these maps. Right, I needed to find the fence. Fence stone, okay. You need a shape. You're gonna be a box, and you need to be like this. Oh, Exo! I'm doing matrices today. And I sorta understand it a little. Not much though. But enough to get collisions working. Yeah, like that. I might as well listen to a lot of streamers at once and pretend I'm lost in the middle of a random convention. I suppose that kind of would be the aesthetic that it kind of gives off. My max is like, I think, like 3 or 4 streamers I can pay attention to. As long as they're sufficiently different in their content. Avatar pin? Will do. That is a heckin' pupper. Let's grab it. Save that image to pictures, pins. Let's add you. Gonna flip ya. Wait a minute. Is this a dog that's backing up? I guess so. We'll put you right there. Maybe. Alright. It was a meme with my roommate? Nice. Oh, congrats? If you have questions about matrices, let me know. I think I got it. So this is, I'm guessing in this instance, the identity matrix for this shape. And by reducing their magnitudes, I think I'm making the whole thing smaller. And then this one seems to be the position. So by adjusting it, I'm changing where it is. And then I think by adjusting these values, I'm actually adjusting the rotation. Although I'm still very much like a guess and test sort of phase. I'll be heading out now. Alright, Retro Boy, thanks for stopping by. It's laid out weird. I know, right? I'm not sure. Not sure if there's a better way that I can see it, but I think, I mean, it's working. And once I set it up, I don't have to worry about it. I think that's all of them. I probably should set it up for grass and stone, though. Translation is usually the last column, not the last row. I know, right? Like here. Like this, right? Or... wait. No, that's the first row. Oh, here we go. Wait. This is what I needed. So now I know this corresponds to that. Alright. That is the scale then. And then... okay. So if I change you to 5, that changes. And I mess everything up. I don't want to do that. But I do want to see... yeah. Yeah, the last column in an affine transformation matrix is the transformation. Or the translation. I gotcha. Okay. So if I change you... oh, that's gonna be tricky math. I like having rotation degrees. Hi Pikachu fans. How's your evening going? So I'm trying to remake the starting part of Final Fantasy 1 in 3D. And I've already got most of Corneria done. Well, done as you know, in terms of like the model and stuff. I don't really have any interaction yet though. Well, another way to think about it is that each of the first 3 rows are the basic vectors in the new space. I think I got it. What was I doing before? Oh, right. I wanted to add collisions to... wait, will I ever need to have collisions on the grass? Yes, I will. If I add gravity, and if I want to allow the player to jump ever, I'm definitely going to want it. So if you want to rotate around the x-axis by 4 degrees, then the y-axis would be shifted, so now it's some y and some z. That's why multiple numbers change. That's what I figured. It's... I just had hoped that in here, there'd be some way for me to easily adjust it. Although, for this project, I don't think I'd need to. Because everything's gonna be... you know, sort of boxy. So I don't think I'm gonna need too many, like, degreeable things. Rotated things. Okay. The box should be 0.5. Well, with a matrix, you can do things you can't do with translation, rotation, and scale. Like, you can also do a shear. Oh, so you could take, like, an object and make it go like this? That'd be pretty neat. When would I use that? That might be a neat, like, effect for when something Like if a treasure chest opens. Or something. Although honestly, I'd probably just replace a closed box with an open one. For example, for the first row, try 110. Alright. Let's do that not on the grass, but on something that might be easier to see. Like the trees. Let's do 1, 1, 0. Wait a minute, that's the collision box. This won't do anything. This is what I want. 1, 1. Oh. Whoa. That's pretty wild. Okay, that's what you mean by shear. When I think shears, I think like, you know, shears. Also, the music has gotten to a strange point. Let's actually switch over. Sorry, EXO. We're gonna listen to some of your stuff. I really like it. If you're okay with me playing it. Cutting shears, right? That's where my mind went. A shear is basically like if you have a box, keeping the ground. Thanks for the follow, Moonsoft. If you have a box, keeping the ground static and moving the top and letting the sides stretch. Oh, okay. I think I get it now. No apology needed. I'm happy when you stream my music. Yeah, by the way, EXO. I was at my family gathering today, and I finally showed my niece the game that I was making. Or the claw machine game. And she liked it okay, but what she really liked were your music tracks that I put on it. She thought that was, like, the best thing ever. Do you remember me? I'm your friend. Yeah, you are the one who made that, that Gradius type cute shooter, right? Is it Puddlemon? It's looking good so far, Nova? Do any other maps yet? Like for the shops? Nope. This is pretty much my first one. And the first 3D thing I've done in a long time. But yeah, it's, I think it's coming along okay. I need to do some other stuff first. But, now that I've got this mesh library, it should be pretty easy to do more of the towns. Also, by the way, here's a chart of some transformation in 2D space and their corresponding matrices. Aha! Oh, so that's how you adjust its position. I definitely remember all of this from linear algebra way back in college, but not so much anymore. Avatar pin? Will do. Good pixel art times recently? Yeah. Where is the avatar pin? There it is. Save you. In pins. leafy guy flops up and down. That is aptly named. Alright, leafy guy. You can rest on my head too. And you can flop up and down all you want. So I had you do a shear in the X direction. I gotcha. Okay, I'm going to pop into Aaron's stream for a bit. Sounds good. Say hi for me, Exo. Or if you're not listening anymore, say hi to Aaron for me, Exo. Okay. I did that. Now I need the stone to have... Wait, did I put it? Okay, I did put... put a collision on you. Let's get one on you as well. As 5. It's funny because I came back right as Exo left. You're swapping. I said hi to him for you? Good. Thanks, Tight Seeker. I also saw that Aaron, at least I think, started, saving VODs. That'll be super helpful for times like this, where, you know, I'm streaming, because I want to be able to watch, you know? Yeah. You know what I mean. Alright, the box has, the stone has a collision. The water... Part of me almost wants to make it so that, like, somehow the player can't walk on the water. But maybe I don't even want to mess with that. I'll think of something later, maybe, but for now, I'll just give it a box, so that the player doesn't fall through the world, at least. So that the player doesn't fall through the world when I add gravity to the player. Which, the more I'm thinking about it, the more I might want the player to be able to jump. Because jumping is fun. You've already got one. You've got one. You've got one. You've got one. The roof has one. The fence... You know what I kinda want to do for the fence? Is sort of the same thing that I was doing... Well... Maybe not like that. Wait, no. No. This one, maybe. Yeah, like that. Now the fences sort of actually look like fences. Maybe we'll make them a bit thicker. Give them a little bit of chunkiness. Okay, I wasn't in front of my iPhone when you responded to my question. Did you say anything about the shops? I haven't made them yet. This is the first map that I've done. But I figured out a lot of stuff in making this map. So subsequent maps should come a lot faster. I think. Oh, wait. Mesh transform. That's not what I wanted. I want this one, which is already done. Okay. This size should be smaller, I think. Let's test it out. Yeah. That's a heckin' nice fence. Even though you can see the top, which is sorta goofy, but I don't even care. Also, you can see the trees on the top, but again, I don't even care. This is how I want it, so that's how it's gonna be. Now, what else? I feel like for the doors, I should make them inset a bit. Here's the door. Your size. Alright, I don't know if I want to do size. Oh, I know it would be cool. I eagerly await your response, Cammy. If you made the tree trunks into a small box, and then the leafy part into a billboard. Made the tree trunk. I might actually end up doing that. But my plan kinda was to make all the NPCs into billboards, and all the, like, static objects to be, like, static. And the other reason why I kinda wanted it to be like this is so that if you do this, whoops, it looks like the original game, which I suppose would still work with the billboards. Right? I mean, if you switch to orthogonal view, probably would still work. So not yet. Okay, cool, because you want maps to be perfect or decently good and not like a child's art project. I don't mind if this looks like a child's art project. I mean, when it comes to 3D stuff, I feel like my skill level pretty much is childlike. There we go. But you know what, Cammy? I think now would be a good time to learn how to do billboard stuff. So let's try adding... let's try adding Old Man NPC. What was that site that we went to before? Spriter's resource. Alright. Ness. F. Final. Fantasy. Characters. Tile sets. I need... I figured out Aaron's canon now by watching EXO. You've got the secret to it? Tell us, what is it? Enemies and bosses. These will be helpful. Where are the NPCs? Town. Wait, is this all the towns? I should have used this one. Font, magic, menu icons, shops. Nope. Oh, that's pretty neat. Vehicles. But then again, even if it does end up looking like a child's art project, then at least you can do something to show that the game was actually made by an adult, but looks childlike. Again, it doesn't really bother me. Mostly I'm just doing this to have fun. I mean, obviously I can't sell it. You wait until it's on a certain point going downward at about 3/5 to the top. I see. I'll have to try that later on. Sky Palace. That'll be neat later. Here are the NPCs. There gotta be somewhere. Final Fantasy 1 NPC Sprites. Here we go. Hey, there we go. Wait. Townsfolk. Whoa. There's a lot of them. All right, we need this guy. Sage 1, front. Sounds good. Or wait a minute, can I just an A sprite and like sorta... Yeah, I can just drag you in there. Oh, but it doesn't... It's only the one frame. Oh well. Downloads. Let's grab this guy. Oh, there's only 2 frames. Hi Bumper Oyster. Oh wait, you're already here. What's the... Oh snap. Can you right click the GIF and open with a sprite? Oh, maybe. Let's see. Doesn't look like it. Oh snap for the huge collection of sprites. Yeah, I know, right? True, you can't sell it because it's got Final Fantasy in the name as well as the official characters from the official game, but you're making a game styled like Final Fantasy for fun anyways. Yep, I'm doing it for fun and to learn. Alright, let's get this guy into the game. Wait. I might actually want to save you as a sprite map. You can open a GIF with a sprite. It will import the frames. Can you do it directly from the browser though? I bet there's probably a plugin for that. Yep, I got it. Now I want to export it as a PNG. Let's do Sage 1 Sure. Not to downloads, to not Nest 3D. But FF1 3D, raw assets. Okay. Export. 2 files. No. I want to save you as 1 file. How do I get you laid out, like, in a line? Export sprite sheet. I think that's what I want. Wait, output file? Export. Did it do it? I don't know if it did it. Oh, wait. Oh, it saved it there. Okay. If you don't output file, it would just open in a new tab. Pretty handy for testing things. Oh, I see what it did. I gotcha. Let's put you in. Where here and projects. There. Want FF1, raw assets, Sage 1 front. Okay. Are you in here now? You are. Nice. Okay. I mean, I'm making Pokemon fan games for fun and news myself, but I'm working on my own game series with the project makers known as RPG Maker. Gotcha. Export a sprite sheet? Yep. Oh, the music reached the end. So let's go back to here. If you don't open file, yep, okay, gotcha. So now I want a billboard. I've never used one before. What's everyone's favorite game? It might be Mega Man X, or Chrono Trigger, or Xenosaga, or maybe even Nier Automata, or I have a lot of games I like. Oh, Nova? Am I doing something silly? Probably am. There probably isn't a node called Billboard. I'm betting it's gonna be... the Minecraft music guy gave explicit permission for people to use the Minecraft music for streaming? Nice! That would be a nice chill addition to your rotation. I'll have to check it out. 10 hours of Sweden? The Outer Wilds, because it's insane. I don't know if I've played the Outer Wilds. What? What? What sort of game is this? I started Outer Wilds and it's crazy, so good. Actually, some of the most astounding moments I've ever experienced. It's an adventure? How have I not even heard of this? Alright. I'm gonna take this tab. I'm gonna move this tab over here so I don't forget it. Because I will need to check that out if so many of you are recommending it. Imagine solving a solar system large puzzle by exploring different planets on a 22-minute time loop. Whoa, that does sound interesting. Hi, Aza. Hi, Nova. And Aaron is bullying me, so I'm escaping? Oh, no! Are people spending money on Aaron again? He is slandering me? Oh, no! Well, don't worry, there'll be none of that here. Only chill vibes. Only... oh! Have you seen the latest thing I'm working on, Aza? I'm making a super old video game. But, like, in 3D and stuff. Can't do much now except walk around and collide into things. But... more's coming. Yep. Return of Tic Tac. Yep, this is a blue Tic Tac though. So, relatively nice so far. We'll see though. Saying you subscribe to him or gifted subscriptions? The Legend of Tic Tac. Yes. Alright, let's see. I need to figure out how to add like a I don't even know. Also, sorry to anyone who might be, recently watching. I have no idea what I'm doing in 3D. I'm just sort of learning like how to do this kind of stuff. I subbed a few days ago, but my sub wasn't until today, so I submitted a message and was accused of lying? Hey, I remember you subbing a few days ago. Yeah, you didn't do it today. A room? I don't want to make a room. I want to make a person. A kinematic body. Maybe I do want a kinematic body. Shakes my head, right? I know, right? And don't worry, Pikachu fans. We're not being serious. Aaron's great. Aaron just has a funny thing where, if people spend money on him, like with bits or subscriptions or whatever, he will ban them and time them out for a few minutes. It's just kind of a running joke that he is sorta serious about, I feel. Because I think he doesn't want you to actually, spend too much money on Twitch, because a lot of that gets taken by Amazon. Bans him for 10 minutes. Yep, sounds about right. But don't worry, I plan on subscribing to Aaron again tonight, so I'll get banned too. You can use Prime sub, not regular sub? That's a good point. I think I do have my Prime sub floating about. Alright, we're gonna do this. Kinematic Body, that's what you're gonna be. We're gonna call you Old Man NPC. Cause that's what you are. No shape. Well, let's give you a shape. What did I do for this? Oh, you know what? Well, okay, yeah, I think this is still what I want. Maybe. No bands with Prime sub? Gotcha. Then I'll have to do a regular sub, because I want a ban. He'll take Prime sub because it isn't your own money. Hi, Exodrifter. How was Aaron doing? Why? To prove a point. And that point is, I want access to Aaron's emotes. Especially, in particular, that little boombox thingy, or the speaker that's bouncing. I need that one. It goes well with my cat. Or not my cat, Demonic Princess's cat. This cat. It needs to go with that cat. If I can't have the both of them together, I can't properly convey the dancing cat. Aaron is doing okay? He says hi? Good to hear. I also need his hi emote, so I can properly confuse people. What was I even... Oh, right, the old man. He needs a sprite. But to get a sprite, I need a thing to put onto that sprite. So for that, I need a CSG mesh. Or do I? This thing. Operation. I remember seeing billboard somewhere. I should probably look it up. Godot 3D billboard. Aaron called me fine, which was a nice compliment. Like fine in like the sexy way? I mean, I think you're pretty sexy. Don't just use sprites? I don't know. Does it? Can I just use sprites? Sprite 3D? That's exactly what I wanted. What even am I doing with this nonsense over here? He bullied me and complimented me in the same sentence? Dad move? Yes. Typical dad move? Yep. Aaron is literally a dad. So, think we can all agree. Best dad. It's in the material stuff. Make the mesh a rectangle. I don't want to just make it a Sprite 3D? What does this do? Animated texture. Did I put you in there? Animation. Horizontal frames. Wait, this? This. Wait, what? This. Maybe? Let's plop you over there. Let's see what this does. Well, the NPC is there. He's not animating. He's Not do much anything. He's very Paper Mario style. Thank you? Oh, yeah, for sure, Exo. Let's use a 2D sprite in 3D. This one? Yeah, I'm using it. I don't know if I'm using it right, though. I mean, I'm almost positive I'm not using it right. Yep. Errand, best dad, nodders. Yep, agreed. He's a good dad to bear, too. Yes, that bear needs a protector. Needs to be bigger and need to set the frame size. Like this? Wait. Frame. I thought I did that. The number of columns. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Frame coordinates needs to be greater than 0. 32 by 32. Wait, what? It's out of bound. Oh, HO. 2? Wait, what? 1? I don't know if I have this right in my head. Coordinates of the frame to display from sprite sheet. This is an alias for frame property. Oh, do I need to, like, animate you? On the axis that is expanded. Alright. So let's... Okay, we got you. Now let's do the size. Scale. Let's give you 4. Wait, not in the Z. Alright, you're heckin' big. This is kind of strange, but I kind of like it. Kind of feeling this. Also, before I forget, let's change the window. Where are you again? I want what's a good 4:3 resolution? I suppose I could just look it up. 'Cause it's gotta be legit, you know? Old school style. 1280 by 960. That sounds good. That's how games were back in the day. None of this widescreen nonsense. Everything was almost squares. Alright, so then... animation player. I mean, I could use that. I was kind of hoping this would do it automatically, though. I don't want to have to set up an animation player for each thing. You can set it to be billboarded under flags. Oh, nice. Thanks, Cammy. That was also a thing I was looking for. Hey, nice. Okay. Now if I can just get the guy to animate. feel like this might be what I want, but I'm not really sure how to use it yet. Oh. Would I put you in here? And then... Wait. The frame property changes what frame he's on, so you can use an animation player. Yeah. I was kind of hoping I could get away with it just doing it automatically. But... I think you're right. I'll do it the way I'm supposed to. So let's actually save this as a new scene. We're gonna call you Old Man NPC. And you don't need animated texture because Sprite 3D can already do the frames. Can I make a suggestion? Yes. Backseat deving is certainly allowed. Feel free to make all the suggestions you want. Old Man NPC. You're gonna have an animation player. There's an animated Sprite 3D? That's probably what I wanted, right? Make it a scene called NPC instead of Old Man NPC. Oh, I see what you're getting at. And then I could just change out whatever sprite sheet I'm using, depending on the one that gets created. A new inherited scene. Yeah, that's probably the best way of doing it. I feel, okay, I'm going to continue using this one, but he's just going to be my test one. And then I'll probably kind of destroy it and redo it once I'm ready to actually have a real NPC. Also, what are you going to do about the enemy fights as well as the boss fights? I have a few ideas in mind. I might do like action RPG style or maybe a first-person shooter style. I'm not sure yet though. Then I suggest bananas without bones. A boneless banana, if you will. Because bones are too crunchy. I agree. Let's not have bones in our bananas. I will vote against having bones in bananas. Unless... No. I want people to have the option of having bones in their bananas. But I don't want them. Oh, I forgot that there's that. Yeah, for really simple animations, the animated sprite versions is handy. Yes. I think let's try that. Goodbye, and animated sprite 3D. Frames. New sprite frames. Let's figure out how to use this. Raw assets. Let's grab this guy. Whoops. Hang on a minute. This, I think I need to have individual frames for each one of them. Wait. Copy. Add frames from a sprite sheet. That's probably what I wanted. Let's get rid of you. No, not the whole node. I just want this gone. Alright, you have 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. Add those frames. I got them! I think it's working. How do I see you? 5 FPS? I feel like that might be too quick. You're not animating in here. Playing. Oh, actually, that's like perfect. Not your animation name is default as well. My animation is default? Oh. Yes, I probably should. Well, actually, I'm fine with default. I mean, that's all this guy's really gonna do. There also should be a name for the player character, unless the player is playing as Rickard. The player... Eventually, I want you to be able to enter your own name for the player, like you could back in the day. Right, and then this one, flags, billboard, enabled. Wait, why billboard? So that means the up and down shouldn't, right? Just along the Y. Yeah, that's the effect I want. that's how it is in my vision. Although I want it to be not, you know, this little this little tiny floaty dude in the sky. Let's make you a little bigger and put you down on the ground. Translation, scale. Yeah, that looks good. Hi, Bumper Oyster. Oh wait, you've been here. Maybe 3 by 3. All right, we got you. Is that good? Is that a good size? That's probably too big. I think that's probably a good size. Because I feel like I want you to be able to, like, look like you could fit through the door. And I think you look like you can now. I just come out of the shadows occasionally. I gotcha. And say contextless things. I know the feel. It is an appropriate thing to do, especially in this channel. I welcome any and all contextless things as long as they don't have any hate or hurt in them. Oh wait, old man's back in the ground now. Got his head sticking out of there. How tall do you need to be to, like, stand on the ground? Is it like 1.3-ish? Nope. 1.5 maybe. Nah, you're floating again. Still floating. Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. Nope, you're definitely still in the ground a little bit. Scooch, scooch. Alright. That's kind of finicky, but I'll allow it. 1.346. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, you know what? That's looking pretty good, actually. Yep, I hate to say it, but I think that's it. Once again, we have the right number from a Joker. How does the Joker do it? It is a mystery, but a helpful mystery. No, nobody tell Arrow. I won't if you won't. Here's an idea for you, Nova. By default, the player starts with Rickard as the name, but have it so the player can approach a renamer NPC to change the name to the character to whatever they want. I kind of want to have it be like in Final Fantasy 1, when you first start up the game, you like make your team and you add the names there. And then I was thinking instead of making a team, you'd like select your character there, I think. But that's a ways down the line. I first want to get like some places to explore, I think. Hero will rage. Yep. And Exo is tired. I can empathize with you, Exo. I am tired as well. Tonight is not gonna be an obscenely long stream like last time. Alright. We got this walking old man. Let's get rid of that. Level objects, old man NPC. Get rid of you. Let's add an actual NPC thingy. So you're gonna be this. We'll call you NPC, not NPM. I don't want the node package manager. I want NPC. Now we need this animated sprite 3D. And this warning is probably telling me a sprite resource. We can have the old man NPC be the default. I think, yeah, that'll be fine. Let's load this from there. You've got 2, not 14. And then I think that was okay. You're gonna be playing. You're a walking dude. Now this one, flag Y billboard. And then we're gonna need you to also have a box. Like, just a little one. Collision shape. Like there. This animated sprite though. Pixel size. Oh my god. What have I done? I made it huge. Let's just double it, maybe. Is this good? Did I do the thing right? The size of 1 pixel's width on the sprite to scale it in 3D. I'm pretty sure I did it right. Now the collision shape. Let's give you a capsule shape. Oh yeah, that's right. The capsules are laying on their sides. Rotation in the Y direction, 90. Nope. In this direction? Yep. And then your translation needs to be what? Like that? Alright, your animated sprite needs to come up like so. Capsules are horizontal by default. I can relate. I feel like the little time that I spent with Godot 4, I think they changed that so that the capsules are, you know, pointing in the direction that you'd assume, which is up. I think. So looking at this one. I think I need the height of this to be like 2. No, more like 3. Actually, I have no idea how big this NPC actually is. We should probably actually make a whole other folder for NPCs. NPCs. And I'll name you NPC template. I don't know, if I dumped out a bottle of medication and they were all standing at attention, I might get paranoid they were plotting against me. That's a good point. I suppose Capsule's resting position would be on its side. But that's not the side I want. Okay. Got the template. Let's actually put you in the level. Holy smokes! That NPC is huge! I think I made a much too big NPC. Oh, wait a minute. I added you as a child of that, so you got the scaling of that. I mean, it's still big. That's still way too big. But at least it's not obscenely big. Alright, let's get you smaller again. Oh, it was 0.01. Oh. I thought it was 0.1. Whoops. Ultimate Grand Bishop. Now we are at Great Grand Bishop. That explains it a lot. Yep. That way explains it. Alright, let's make you like, I don't know, that big. Let's bring you down to like, I don't know, what is this? What is this even? That's like way more appropriate of a size. All right. And then so you're like You're still like inside of this line. Zero 0.3? No. 0.32? 0.325? Good enough, maybe. Alright, now for your capsule shape, let's get ya like way smaller. And a radius of 0.3. Let's scoot you on down. That's probably right. Probably. Finally this garbage blocks the ads? Wait, are you getting ads on my site? I mean on my stream? I thought I had them turned off. I was like, is that Akihiko Kayabi from the beginning of Sword Art Online? Like the old NPC that appears in the sky to tell you, this is just a game. But, I mean, you're still gonna die if you die. So, you know, have fun and stuff. Alright. So this NPC should be like collisionable. You are not collisionable. What have I done wrong? Collision shape, what are you missing? Oh. You, okay. I need to give you a body of some sort. Kinematic body. I feel like I probably want it to be a kinematic body. Yeah, yep, ads. Shoot. The tutorial gods? I know, right? This is just a game, but you know, when you die, you die. Yep, it's like real life. Real life is also a game, but you know, if you die, you die. Has no physics. Yep, I figured that out. Rigid bodies you can push around like balls. Static bodies don't move. I might actually want it to be a kinematic body, or what? I feel like I want to use a Nav Mesh. Would a kinematic body be appropriate for the Nav Mesh then? Nav Mesh. A node that instances navigation meshes onto a scenario. Alright, let's try it out. A navigation mesh resource. Nav Mesh. New Nav Mesh. Sample partition type. Bake Nav Mesh. Navigation mesh instance must be a child or grandchild to a navigation node. Wait. Real life has a really unnecessarily complicated inventory system. Yes, agreed. Gonna head out? Alright, Exo, I'll see you later. I hope you sleep well, or I hope whatever else you're gonna do is also well. And the graphics are horrible? In real life? mean, they're not that bad. You might want to go to an optometrist if you find the graphics not to be very good. Heart's back, Exo. Life has some good ray tracing, or so I hear. Who goes outside? I go outside sometimes. Although it's been a while. No, wait, no it hasn't. I was outside today. Before then it was a while, because the weather has been absolutely crummy. The graphics are really good, except where they turn the quality down because of all the players in cities. Oh, the smog effect. Yeah. You just gotta go to less popular areas. I agree. Except, I kinda want to go to a bigger city. Forgot that you were outside earlier. I mean, usually I'm not outside, but today I was outside. What was I doing? Oh yeah, this guy. Navigation meshes. How do I do them? They need to be the child of a navigation node. So, this, and then like that, whoops, like this. Well, that cleared up the error. Fake nav mesh? Is it doing the thing? How do I see the thing? Visible navigation. Maybe. Alright, I'll give it a look up. Okay, navigation. These will be collected. Can also be added on the fly with Nav Mesh add. Many known issues. Oh dear. Let's see the demo. Nav Mesh. This little guy goes around that stuff. So yeah, sorry, I haven't used navigation in Godot. Can't provide my veteran's wisdom here. Well, that's okay, Cammy. We can learn together. Let's go to the asset library. Actually, hold on. Asset 124 3D Nav Mesh demo. Should be able to just go... Where? It's been a while since I've loaded stuff from the asset store. Here? 3D Nav Mesh. Nav Mesh. Interesting. It's simple. There's a simple way. It's a template. Template demo. Meaning you can't access it from Godot itself. How to do it from Project Manager. I gotcha. Nav Mesh. This one. Here is where Godot Manager would make things easier for you. Yeah, you know what? Let's actually give it a try. Do you have the link handy, Casper Dragonwolf? I will try it. I feel kind of bad that I haven't tried it until now. All right. Whoa. Hi, Shiny Alpy. Thanks for the raid. How is your evening going? Or, I should say, I sorta know how your evening's going. I've been sorta watching you, but I haven't been listening. And listening's kind of the best part, so I guess I really don't know how your evening went after I sorta left. Shiki has a nickel for every time an ancient blonde white lady of incalculable power shows up but you'd have 2 nickels. But it's weird that it happened twice. Also, hi Keitan, and Shuyin, and Mercy, and Kitsuki Cross. Hi everyone. Okay. I suppose I should show you the current going-ons. Whoa, too big. Let's make you a smallie. So, there's a game, Final Fantasy 1, old Nintendo game. I'm gonna remake some of it in 3D. That's the current project. I'm also woefully inexperienced with making stuff in 3D, so this, I feel, is a good opportunity for me to learn it. We streamed Melty for 6 hours and maybe played the video game for about 45 minutes. I was there for some of that, and that sounds about right. But really, it's the conversation I feel like we come for, because that stuff is classic. And pretty glorious. Nova making a sequel to Stranger of Paradise. Wait, what? Stranger of Paradise. What? Oh, is this that one? The I'm here to kill chaos one? Well, yes. That is what I'm making, I suppose. Oh, this is the chaos one. I better add some chaos into mine too, or else it won't be legit. Yeah, it's that one. Oh no. Oh. But I was also going to check out Casper Dragonwolf's Godot Project Manager. So let's grab it. Is there any special way I need to install it, or do I just grab it and run it as a Godot project? Getting sleepy myself, so I'm gonna head off. You'll have a good night. All right, Kitan. I hope you sleep well, and thanks for stopping by, or thanks for following Shiny LP's raid, whichever way you ended up here. I think it was the raid. Either on Twitch or GitHub under releases. I'm also... Wait. Godot Manager. Why am I not seeing releases? Right hand side. Release. Sorry. Okay. Let's grab ya. Whoop. Extract you to here. Let's test you out. Kath also said good night. All right. Good night to Kath, wherever she may reside at the moment. Hi, I am the Soul God of Cats. How's your evening going? First time install. We've detected this is the first time you have run the Godot Manager. Specify custom Godot engine or download one. You know what? Let's try downloading it. Let's just let it do its thing. Alright. I'll grab the stable one. Hydrate will do. Thanks, Camimoo. It's morning here, but it's going good. Good to hear. Alright. I have this one. So we got Godot. Asset library. Now let's try the Nav Mesh one. Wait. Projects. Click on templates. Oh, I gotcha. There we go. Let's download ya. I think it downloaded. It's downloaded? Okay. Asset... Wait. I didn't put a confirmation dialog in there. There's updates in... I want you to make things easier to understand. Go to projects, click on new project. Alright. And then... Oh, nice. Okay, I've got that. And then this is the one I have. Let's do... in projects, create folder, Nav Mesh demo. And then select this one, create and edit. Hey, there we go. That was pretty slick. Thanks, Casper Dragonwolf. Let's see now. How does this thing work? little happy critter. Sure, I'll allow access. And oh, what? I see. I click on it and it knows where to go. Yeah, all right. Are you remaking Final Fantasy 1? Yes. At least the starting part of it. So I'm working on getting Corneria done. And I've got the level pretty much mapped out. Please bear in mind that this is like my first time in Godot working with 3D stuff. So I'm not too familiar yet with how all of it works. And I'm not even really sure how I kind of want the gameplay to be for this. I was thinking maybe like a first-person shooter, or maybe like an action RPG. But for now I'm trying to get these old man NPCs to actually walk around and stuff. And to do that, I need to look at this demo of how Nav Meshes are implemented. So there is an easier way. Casper Dragonwolf, a source of wisdom, says there is an easier way. An easier way for navigation of the old man NPCs? Oh, I think I already kind of guessed it. I could just have them move in random directions. Kinda like how they did in the original. Path follow? I know how to use paths. I could do it that way. Alright, forget this navigation mesh stuff for now. I did the path stuff in 2D, so I think I know how it works. So I basically like paint these dots, or wait, no, add points. How do I get you to... There. And then, like this. It's a close approximation. Sorta. So you can adjust it later, get the points laid out, then you can edit the height of the points. Gotcha. So if it'll be, also hi Steambub. So it'll be in our ARPG, random battles open up a battle map that you can action combat and try to make the battle maps look like the backgrounds of the random, yes, that is one of the options. So that's the way I'm probably going to do it when you're out on the overworld map. But when you're like in a dungeon or in towns or stuff, I might just actually have the battles take place on the maps that you're currently on, and like enemies will just spawn in and stuff. But I haven't really decided yet. Okay, then I need to have a path follow. And this will be going like back and forth. And then I put you on there. And then it should Oh, do I need to encode make the thing actually move? What kind of shenanigans did I miss? I'm trying to get these old man NPCs to move around. I think I'm getting close. But I need to remember... Oh, also, I tried out Casper Dragonwolf's project manager. It was pretty neat. I only, had a couple of hiccups, but I think for the most part, it's very user-friendly. Nope, nope, nope. Alright. Using paths and path follows? Yep. And if I remember right, I need to actually make the code make the thing go up and down it. Gonna go say hi to Dadrind and head to bed. Have a good night. You have a good night as well, Camimoop, and thanks for stopping by. I'm probably gonna say hi to Dadrind not before long as well. Path follow. What Godot manager? The link is here. I'll paste it again. This one. All right. When setting an offset in this node. So there we go. the old man NPC is gonna shuffle. But that's alright. I'm fine with shuffling NPCs. Although I probably should make it so that they're like, you know, doing this stuff. But for now, let's just shuffle. Path follow. I think what I did in my claw machine game was I actually made a path follower object. Like this. I did path follow, and then I had a script on it. Oops. Give it a script. We'll call you path follower. And you will do... Whoops. Like that. What I want you to do is set your offset, like go around offset. Sadly, I come up on page 2 of Google results. It isn't popular that where I made the Reddit posts about, oh no, page 2 is the dark area, the Shadowlands. Nobody goes there. Someday you'll make it to page 1. I believe in you. I just Google Godot Manager Reddit and it shows up. Nice. Just gotta add Reddit. Yep. That should work. Offset. Is equal to... How in the hay did I do it before? Where are you? I suppose I could just open up an instance of my claw machine game and take a look at the code over there. That would be the responsible thing to do. Maybe. Whoa. Okay, there's the game. It came. It happened. I was getting worried for a second. Alright. Path follower. Basically, kind of just want... Whoa. Why are you all scrunched? So I pretty much want this, except instead of path follower 2D, path get parent. If the parent is a path, unit offset. By the way, how do I import all my projects again? Oh, you're talking to Casper. Okay. Where's this unit offset? Oh, that's what it is. Offset, follow speed. I think that's all I need. Path follower. And that's a fine thing to complain about. So we'll add a path follower. It's a child of you and you of that. And now, well, it's closer. we've got a teleporting old man. Oh, now it's going up. It somehow he's hovering now. This is okay though. This is a feature, not a bug. Other Final Fantasy games don't even have this. Hi Nova, I'm following in your footsteps and making my own Twitch bot. Oh, nice! And also, hi Aldrin. Oh shoot, I forgot I needed to make a guide for how to do all of that. That might be what tomorrow's stream is. I might spend the stream making the guides that I promised. Sorry, I honestly forgot. We already have to suffer people confusing GitHub. Oh, back to, also, hi, Polynimity. Perfection? I know, right? The teleporty old man NPC could just leave as is, but let's try unchecking loop. That, what even are you doing, old man? You're at both spots. This is some forbidden technique. Zoomer old man. Old man going yum. Happy accidents. Yep. No worries. I started from scratch. Oh, okay. I hope it goes well. plenty of TwitchBot guides, worst case. Honestly, maybe just as well to find an OS one written in Kraken and port it to Helix. Well, yeah, there's that. That's the scratch. Oh, that's right, you were making it in that. Rip. Seems I'll have to wait for that fix. Oh, you're talking about that one. Gotcha. One Punch Man's Quick Step. Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember that episode. Alright, so what did I do wrong? Follow direction. -1. Follow speed. Let's tone you down a bit. Let's see what this does. Well, it's certainly interesting. I won't lie, I'm having fun with this. Okay. The path is apparent. If unit offset is 0, follow direction is 1. So this really should be going back and forth. Unless I have, I mean, that should be right? Except follow speed. Wait. Follow speed, follow direction times delta. Let's try a really small follow speed. Like, we're talking 1. You're going at a speed of 1, buddy. Hey, there we go. Well, you're still kind of blinking, but at least you're moving at a nice pace. You have 4 steps. You need to change the speed to 1. Yep. Wait, I missed it. The old man is now up. Somehow the old man went up. Well, at least I'm colliding in the old man now. Okay. Let's think about this. Do we uncheck loop? Hey, yeah, we do uncheck loop. No longer moving too fast for collisions. Yep, the old man was literally phasing through space. I could not collide with it. But yeah, now we've got old man NPC. Sorta shuffling around. Always keeping their eye on us. Sorta crab walking. I like it though. You know what else I want to add though? I want to add strafe. Like right away. We need strafe. Strafe left and strafe right. You're gonna be this button, and you're gonna be that button. Forward direction. So if input dot is action pressed, strafe left, velocity equals this way, which is forward direction rotated 90 degrees. Forward dir dot rotated. Wait a minute. What is forward dir? How do I get var left dir is equal to get no equal to this dot basis x? Yes, I think. Or right? And then it's gonna be right dir is the negative of that. I feel like that might be right. Or it might be wrong. But that's fine. We can fix it. We can make it better. We can make it stronger. I have them backwards, but that's okay. That is an easy to fix thing. Super, super easy to fix thing. We now have strafe. I repeat, we now have strafe. The world is okay because we now have strafe. I kind of want to be able to strafe and move forward though. Do I want... Is there a plus equals? There is. Also, I now have the thing where you can go faster if you move diagonally. Because it's not normalized. Now, I'm gonna leave that in because I actually like that. There's a few old games that, you know, didn't do that and or didn't normalize their movement. And so a speedrunning strat meant that you had to move diagonally all the time. And I kind of like that, actually. This is one speedrunning strat, not only like I'm putting in the game intentionally right from the get-go. Move diagonally, folks. It'll make you faster. Alright, let's add a jump. To add a jump, we need a gravity. How much should our gravity be? I don't know. 5. Let's have it be 5. I don't even know. Is y up like positive numbers? Let's check you out, NPC. Y up is positive, I believe. So gravity should be negative. Piecing out for some work things, then crashing. I'm excited to see how far you get in this project. Good luck, good luck. Thanks for the lurk, Aza. I hope you have success with work, and then, sleep well. If input, wait, I need probably a jump button. Give you space. If input dot is action just pressed, jump, then we will do var upter, but that should always be up. I'm not planning on having any inverse gravity stuff. Plus equals I don't know, jump strength? I have no idea how much this is gonna be. Vector 3 up times jump strength. And then velocity, so we zero out this, but we probably also want velocity minus equals vector 3 dot up times gravity, I think. What am I not doing right? Oh, this. What language is Godot? It has a custom language. Hi, Rainy Day Tomorrow. Yes, it's using a language called GD script, which is very closely based on Python. I haven't really used much Python before, so learning Godot is a good excuse for me to also sort of learn Python. Let's see if the jump works. The jump doesn't work. I'm going up into the sky. I had it backwards. Now I'm going into the floor. This isn't fun either. What am I doing wrong? Did I not give the stones a shape? Its base languages are GDScript and VisualScript, but it has C#, Rust, Python, Lua. Yeah. Pretty much any language. Yeah, folks have been using all sorts of languages with it. You have no gravity to apply. Don't I? I thought I had gravity. I mean, not like real gravity. This is like a fake kinematic body gravity. Well, let's see. I'm betting I didn't actually give these stone. Or I did. So I should be colliding with it. Unless I already start... I am. I'm already inside of it. Okay. Wait. I saw that. I was... Hold on. I was falling through the waterfall. The waterfall doesn't have a box yet. Alright, this jump... This is a bad jump. I did a bad job with the jump. Also, old man, where are you going? How are you getting through the trees? What's even happening anymore? Alright, I'm gonna call it. This game is done. We're gonna ship it. It's live. No. But I am done for the night, I think. Let's see if Erend is still on. I do believe... oh, thanks for the follow, Evening Cake. It does indeed look like Erend is on. So we are going to say hi.
So now I don't even... Like, now I can't even trust the
import. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.
Because we get the painted version of this model on everything.
I don't know what to do for a raid message, so how about we all just say hi in our own ways?
Not even completely painted, I think? Wasn't in starvation mode, ain't just enough, apparently.
Let's do...
Well,
this.
You know what your maintenance level is when you get down to the weight you
I'll see you all later.
Because your body starts to save up fat, so next time you starve yourself, it doesn't die. I mean, that is pretty much what it is. That's basically what starvation mode is. You're basically underclocking your organs. I wonder if I should restart for that. That doesn't make any sense.